Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. In yesterday's episode, we drove the Chaser for the first time legally on the road, registered, roadworthy, just to test it out, see how it was. We did run into a small issue with overheating. Now, I've made sure there's coolant in the system. I've tried bleeding it of any air in the system. I don't think there's any air in there. After a drive, I'm not losing any coolant. So my next thought was thermostat. So, yesterday, I ran down to Toyota, picked up a thermostat, a gasket, and some coolant, and today, we're gonna find out if I can fix the problem. Can I do it? We'll see. Alright, so the car's all jacked up. Now that's only for later when I actually go to top up the coolant and bleed the system again, but I thought I might as well do that now. We've got the thermostat housing. I'm guessing that's it. I've honestly never done this before, so don't listen to me. There's two 12mm bolts to remove, one up the top, one down the bottom. Now all of this stuff is connected to it. I might take this hose off, but I'll probably leave this one connected and just pull it out of the way. Okay, well, I'm a bigger idiot than I thought. I should have just Googled this instead of thinking I knew where it was, because that's not the thermostat housing at all, according to Google. The thermostat housing is further down. So, I'll just put this back together. It's two 12mm. This time I'm underneath the car. Hopefully this one's the right one. Please, don't get it everywhere. Oh! We're good. That is the thermostat housing. I do see a thermostat. So, it's a bonus. That's a bonus. One old thermostat. Alright, I just chucked both thermostats in hot water. As you can see, the new one has opened up. The old one hasn't moved at all. That might be the issue, fellas. Alright, so all I have to do now is chuck this seal, this gasket, onto the new thermostat, just like it was on the old one, and chuck it back in the car. So I'll do that, chuck it back in, and I'll see you when it's back together. Alrighty, she's all back together. Now we've got to fill her up, and hopefully there's no leaks. I knew this would come in handy. I seen it on eBay, and you know, just had to get it. Maybe it was fate. Thanks, eBay. Anyway, I've got my 50-50 mix here of genuine Toyota coolant. I know it's going to take more than this, but you know, bit by bit. Now's a good time to check for leaks underneath, so that's what I'm going to do and cross my fingers. Well, I don't see any just yet. I'll turn the car on, see if it goes, and then try and bleed it further, let the thermostat open, suck in some more coolant, and then we should be alright. Alrighty, car's back together. It is on the ground. I've just had a shower, washed all the coolant and dust and all that good stuff off of me. Got dressed, so we're going to head out to Super Cheap Auto, go and pick up our deep sockets to remove and then add our new spark plugs. It's just down the road, so it'll be a good little test to see how the system is doing with the new thermostat in there. Fingers crossed it goes alright. Aced it. First go that time. Actually, just before we leave, I remember to put my fire extinguisher in here. I bought it for a reason, and it's no good at home. Quick little extinguisher unboxing. Oh shit. Yeah, alright. Alright, so the one you buy from Super Cheap comes with a little bracket mounted to it, so you can bolt it to your seat or under your seat. I'll probably put it in the passenger seat, just in the footwell. Okay. Off to Super Cheap we go. I've also double-sided taped my license plate to the front of the bumper, so hopefully that stays on. I managed to find the right button for the aircon, so the aircon's actually good. It's cold, which is handy, especially in summer in Queensland. It's pretty bloody hot. Just been into Super Cheap, picked up a nice basic set of deep metric sockets. I've already got a 1/2-inch drive ratchet. That'll do the job for our spark plugs. So good having this aircon working. It's actually cold, which is just the biggest bonus. Drive around in comfort in the Chaser, get it running right, get it boosting all right, and we'll be away, man. We'll be away, man. Soon. Temps are still good. If you don't already, follow me on Instagram, Isaac_O'Neill. Give me a follow and I'll approve it. My account's private for some reason. But I've been posting stories of the car, little updates if you want to see them before it goes on YouTube. Same thing for Snapchat if you want to add me. It's just Isaac O'Neill, one word. That's only if you want to, you don't have to. Also, consider subscribing if you're new here or you haven't subscribed. Just scroll down, hit that button. If you're liking these videos as well, you know, leave a like. Alright, so it breaks up when I'm driving, when it's under load, but if I free rev it, it's fine. If anyone has any solutions or anything, drop it in the comments please. I'm unsure about what's going on with the breakup around 3000 RPM under load. I just free revved it in the driveway and it's no worries getting past 3000 RPM. So if you have any knowledge, drop it below and I'll have a look. Hopefully we can solve some problems. On the other hand, I have fixed the cooling issue. It was that thermostat that was buggered. Drove down the road and back up the road, made it home, no worries, without getting warm or anything like that. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you tomorrow. I'll be pulling those spark plugs out, putting new ones in anyway. Maybe that's the issue, maybe not, but I'm leaning towards not, because it can free rev past that. So if it was a spark plug, maybe, I'm unsure. Anyway, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, leave a comment if you have knowledge, and I will see you shortly. Cheers.